welcome to OlaJoe the Crocheting Sailor. Thank you for tuning in. Now is the time to pick the winner of the giveaway. I have already entered the URL, as you can see right there. I have filtered the duplicate users. As you can see, I have filtered the comments based on a specific text, and the word that you needed was celebration. I hit the button to get the YouTube comments, and there were 136. So now we can pick the winner. Good luck, everyone. The winner of the giveaway is Sally L. Congratulate Sally L in the comments. She says, "What gorgeous yarn. So clever to mix Christmas and 4th of July. What a celebration of both holidays. Love the pendant, and also you are including a charm. Thank you for this opportunity." Well, thank you for entering, Sally L. Please leave me an email. My email is in my description box and also on my About page. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a wonderful day crocheting. Have a glorious day. Bye.